Hi, we are continuing with exercise 1.3 question number 3. Express the following in the form of P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. That means they gave in the form of decimal expansion. We have to convert the decimal expansion into P by Q form. That means in fraction form. So let us take the first question is 0.6 bar. As you all know, as I told you in previous class, in sessions, 0.66 bar means 6 repeats for infinitely, mean it repeats infinitely. So that means, so let us take here. So here let us assume with any unknown term here. So let us assume with x. So let x is equal to 0.6 bar. Let x is equal to 0.6 bar. This is the first step. That means you have to assume with any unknown term. Instead of x you can take any, like p also you can take any value alphabet. So let x is equal to 0.6 bar. As you all know, 0.6 bar means x is equal to 0.66666, so on. So now it is one place of decimal. Here 0.6 means it is after decimal place there is only one number. Clear? So that means if it is only one number, you have to multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 on both sides. Remember, after decimal place, how many numbers are there? Just you check it. By observing the numbers, you have to multiply by the tens, multiple of tens. Like if it is only one number after one decimal place, it is multiply by 10. If it is 2, multiply by 100. If it is 3, multiply by 1000, like this. So now multiplying 10 on both sides, because the only after decimal place we have only one digit, that is 6 is repeating. So now if you multiply 10 on both sides, 10 into x, 10x, 10 into 0.6, 10 into 0.6, observe, you can observe 0.666 into 10, 10 6 are 60. So here what we can take, 60, again 10 zeros are 0, 0, 6 point digit, so 6 point. Clear? So it is 6.666. If we consider 666, it 666 it happens, 0.6666, so on. So now it is 0.6 666 is multiplied by 10, it became. So as you all know, if you multiply by tens, multiple of tens, decimal places will shift to your right side. You can remember like that also. So now it became 6.666, so on. So now let 10x be as it is. 6.66 can be written as 6 plus 0.666, correct? We can split it. Why here we are splitting it as? Because, so this again we have to obtain same number, that is 0.666, because we can substitute x value there. Clear? So now 6.666 can be written as 6 plus 0.666. Now 10x remains as it is, 6 remains as it is. What is the value? What we have considered? 0.66 can be written as x again. So please remember, so here the given is 0.6 bar. So we took it as 0.666 because bar represents the number repeats many times, and after one decimal place we have only one number. So we are multiplying by 10 on both sides. So 10x. So x, 10x into 10, 10x, but 10 into 0.666 we will get 6.666, so on. So 10x remains as it is. 6.666 can be written as 6 plus 0.666. How you have to divide is, the other number should be obtained as previous, what we consider x is equal to, no? So that it has to be obtained. Now 10x remains as it is. So this can be written as 6 plus x. Now x shift to the LHS, it becomes minus x. So 10x minus x is equal to 9x by 6. So x is equal to 6 by 9. So if we equivalent means reduce to the equivalent, so it becomes 2 by 3. Clear? So 6 by 9 can be written as 2 by 3. So that means 0.6 bar can be represented in the form of P by Q, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So please, the given number, consider it as x, and after decimal places observe the number, then multiply by multiples of 10, then split the multiplicate to the r, that is like previous x number, then you substitute again x value. By simplification you will get the value of x as in the form of P by Q. So in this second sub question, it is 0.47 bar. So as let x is equal to same steps, let x is equal to 0.47. X is equal to 0.47. So here what we can do, multiply by 100. So because what we have after decimal place, you have 2 points. So you can take multiply by 100, or you can do by multiply by 10 also. So no issues, so you can do multiply by 100. So what happens? Multiplying by 100, 100 into x, 100x. So what it happens? It plays a shift 0.4747. So you are multiplying by 100, that means 2 zeros. So it will shift to the 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So it became 47.474747, so on. Again what we can do, 47 plus 0.47. So I am splitting this again, 47 plus 0.4747, so on. Again 100x remains as it is, 47 remains as it is, 0.4747 can be written as again x. So again taking x to the LHS, 100x minus x, it is 99x is equal to 47, x is equal to 47 divided by 99. So this is the form of P by Q when decimal expansion is given. So observe the steps and observe the simplification and practice. Third sub question, 0.001 bar. So again as I told you, x is equal to 0.001 bar means 001 repeats many times. So here you can write it as x is equal to 0.001, 0.001 like this. So how many decimal places are there? 3. So what you have to take? Multiply by 1000. So 1000 into x, it is 1000x, 1.001001, so on. So 1000x is equal to 1 plus, you can write it as 0.001. So here 1 point, right? So 1 plus. So again this can be written as x value as we took in this. So if we take x to the LHS, so 1000x minus x is equal to 1. So 1000x minus x, it is 999x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 999. So this is the form of P by Q when it is in the decimal expansion. Observe the steps. Only you have to take consider in terms of x and of check how many decimal places of and multiply by multiples of 10, and by simplification by dividing them into 2 parts. It is very simple. Just you have to separate the decimal part given plus the number what you have multiplied. Clear? So finally you will get in the form of P by Q. So last in this, again we are continuing the same questions because it is similar to this question. Exercise 1.3 question number 4. Express 0.999 in the form of P by Q, and are you surprised by your answer? Means here what the obtained answer will be surprising. So let us, same method will follow here. As you all know, 0.09 let x is equal to 0.09999. So that means you can write it as in the form of 0.9 bar. Clear? So now how many decimal places? Only one decimal place. So we are multiplying by 10. So 10x is equal to, if you multiply by 10, it becomes 9.9999. So now 9.99 can be written as 9 plus 0.9999. So again 10x, 9 plus 0.99 can be written as x. So now again taking x to the LHS, it is 10x minus x is equal to 9. 10x minus x, it is 9x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 by 9, which is equal to 1. That means we are getting the number 1. That is, as you all know, if anything it is 0.99999, it is exactly or nearly equal to 1. There is no difference between the 1 and 0.999. So it is, so shortly we can round it off, 0.999 can be round it off to the 1 value. Clear? So the same steps in question number 4 also we are same practice in previous question number 3. So same steps, but the value is equal to 1. That means 0.999 is nearestly equal to the value 1.